Hey guys, today I'm here with
Ethan Rizer, EAS.
and out here this is the snow storm that we're getting, and so is his area. Yeah. He's getting the snow too, and it's coming down pretty good, as you can see. Yep. This is our second round. We had a first round, I think yesterday was our first round snow. But I'll be posting CDOT videos and MO.dot videos tonight of more snow totals. So, yep, here it is. It's coming down pretty good. The flakes are starting to get a little big. Yep. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.